Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I have not done one of these in quite a bit, so I'm super excited. I have two boxes from Bibbidi that I'd love to share with you guys, so keep on watching. If you are unfamiliar with what Bibbidi is, it is a subscription service. They have everything from fandoms of Marvel, Harry Potter, they have Star Wars, and of course they have Disney. They have several different size boxes, and they are one of the best subscription services that I personally know of, and they just cater to everything that you like. If you want to go check out my other videos opening up some of my older Bibbidi boxes, then I will link some of those down below so that you can check those out. I also have some coupon codes, so those will be down there as well, and I'll probably put them in at the end just so that you guys have them. But let's get started. So first off, one of the things I always like to share with everyone is that Bibbidi has the cutest boxes on the face of the planet. Now, I have the Bibbidi Ultimate box, which retails for about $119, but they also just added a Simply Spectacular box, which retails for $219 or $299, limited quantities for each month. First come, first serve. Boxes will not be curated until the preferences and wish lists, which is something that I always like to mention in my Bibbidi videos, is that they have wish lists and preference lists, and it is just so amazing because everything, like I said, is catered to you, your wish list. If you put something into your wish list, then most likely you get it. It's amazing. A lot of Disney park stuff, a lot of exclusive merchandise from LoungeFly, from Daniel Nicole, things like that. And it's just, I could go on and on. But let's open up our box. So we are gonna start off with this one right here. Like I said, this one is an actual Ultimate box. The other one is kind of like a fun photo shoot box that I have for tomorrow, but I do want to still open it and show you guys a little sneak peek. So when you open up your box, you do have a packing slip. If you don't want to know what the prices are right away or spoil the surprise for you guys, then don't open this up until the very end. So we're going to set this aside for now, but I love that they give you that just because it tells you what everything costs and like how well you did. All right, so the other thing that I always brag about is that Bibbidi has the cutest iridescent bags. These are perfect for like Halloween. They're perfect for holidays. I use mine all the time. And I already see a LoungeFly that I personally put on my wish list, but I'm not going to pull that out yet. I'm going to pull out some of the smaller stuff. So we are going to start off with this Lillian & Co. And the thing that I love about Lillian & Co. jewelry is that everything is just so nicely packaged. Oh! I'm where I'm meant to be all those days and years not knowing where I was going and what I was doing, but now the fog has lifted and I can see the light. That is my tangled heart being so happy. Oh my gosh, they know me so well, and they know that I love yellow gold. Oh, I'm where I'm meant to be. Sorry, my lighting is a little crazy, but this is so pretty. And these are awesome because they fit all wrists, like, and they just kind of hang on. They're so comfortable, and I love wearing these to school as well. But I'm where I'm meant to be. This hits home because I'm originally from Massachusetts. If you didn't know, I am from like the Lowell area of Massachusetts. I grew up there my entire life, and then about 5 years ago I had some life changes that I decided to move to Florida and start over, basically. So I have been living here for almost 6 years now, which is crazy to me, but I feel like I'm where I belong. So although I miss my family and friends, they do visit me often and I get to go home every once in a while, but Florida definitely is my home. This is where I'm meant to be. So that is amazing. All right, we're gonna pull out the big guy. Look at, are you guys ready? This is incredible. There is something that dropped down at the bottom, so I'm going to put that aside. Oh, I got this super cute little decal. I love this. This is going to go, I really want to design a water bottle. I have so many corkscrew bottles, and I have so many corkscrew bottles, like this one, for instance, that don't really have anything on them, and I feel like they could have a little Mickey or something, which would be so cute. And I think this one's actually perfect colors for this because this is like my beachy bottle. So I think that sticker might be going onto that water bottle, which would be awesome. And then can we just look and admire this bag right now? Come on now. And there's something inside of it, which is even better. But I picked this one out because Chris and I absolutely love Powerline. When we used to have a small shop together, our very first like big hit was a Powerline design, and I don't know, it just sticks with me. Chris has a Powerline hat. I'm ready to style this up. It's so bright, but like I feel like for a Halloween party, like this might be a fun bag to have. I just love like the belt. I love that this is his outfit. And then of course, like look at that back detail is so cute. And I've mentioned this before. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I didn't even notice that. It says Standout World Tour. I don't know if you can see that. Standout World Tour. That's so cool. So cool. Wow. I'm getting so excited that I can't talk. I always mention that I love the LoungeFlies that have this little pocket in the front because it's just so much easier to put your phone in and put your wallet right in that front pouch instead of having to throw it in the mix of the big part. I don't know, that's just me. We have another thing floating in here, and it is a little figurine. So let's see. And then just to show you guys before we open up that, the inside of this bag is like the little atoms, which is really cool. And of course it has that little zipper in there as well. I am in love. This is so cool. Chris is gonna steal this from me, so I have to hide it. I love that this is like a little bit smaller too. It's not like super big. And it's my princess. All right, so like I said, when I said Bibbidi really gets to know you and knows what you like, they do. And they also know that my favorite princesses are Rapunzel and Princess Jasmine. And so I got the Rapunzel bracelet, and of course, look at how beautiful this Jasmine is. She is so pretty. I was actually Jasmine when I was little. If I can find a picture, I will insert it, but I don't know where it is. But this is something that I really cherish. I love these carved out figurines. They're so pretty. And I love putting them in my office. So she will definitely be joining the crew up with my Pascal from one of my previous boxes. I just love these so much. So that is all that was in that box. We're gonna go back to the packing slip so that I can show you guys all of the stuff and the prices. So the Disney Traditions Gym Short Jasmine Be Adventurous figurine was $30. The Lillian & Co. stackable bracelet, Rapunzel inspired, was $32. And then the LoungeFly Disney Goofy Powerline cosplay mini backpack was $70. And then the custom Disney decal was $325, so it came out to $135.25. And again, the ultimate Disney box is only $119, so you are saving so much money and getting surprises. Even though you choose off your wish list, I did not choose the bracelet or the Jasmine. They just know that I love those characters dearly. But I did choose the LoungeFly. I put it on my wish list. It does not mean that it's guaranteed to come to you, but most likely you'll get something. The LoungeFly, and actually I added the sticker decal to my wish list as well. So 2 out of 4 things I got, just so we're all aware. I'm gonna put all of my goodies back into this Powerline bag so that I can take a really cute picture later. And then we will move on to our second box, which I'm going to have to open with some scissors because this one still has the plastic. But I do want to show you guys how nice these come, because if you are worried about like your package getting destroyed in the mail or anything like that, they have this special like plastic coating that goes on top of their box before they ship it, so that it protects your package. So that is one of my like big pluses with them, is that I always feel like my package comes so nicely because it just has all of the little wrapping around it and all of that jazz. Here's our second box. Oop. Just punched myself in the nose. This one I have a feeling is for my photo shoot, which is tomorrow. And we are going to be doing some Steamboat. Oh, they taped it. How awful of you. We're going to be doing some Steamboat and some other stuff. And I'm probably going to also take that Powerline bag to take pictures with. So I'm very, very excited. I actually have to go pick out some clothes after this because I have school tomorrow. And luckily without the kids because the first day of school is Tuesday. All right, here we go. First up, we have a LoungeFly bag. And I already know what's inside. It is the, and look at how nice this came with the cardboard so that the bow doesn't get messed up. These are the Steamboat Willie ears from LoungeFly. They do have one with the bow and then they also have one with this little hat. But I ended up picking the one with the bow because I thought it was so cute. This is absolutely stunning. These are so cute and I always have wanted a Steamboat Willie pair. I actually was Steamboat Willie with Chris for Dapper Day, probably like 4 or 5 years ago at this point, which is crazy to think of. But these would have been perfect, of course. I didn't have them then, but I absolutely love the Disney LoungeFly stitching on the side and then just the little details with the little wheel and everything like that. And I absolutely love that I can just put it right back into this pouch and have it stay nice and safe for tomorrow's shoot. So thank you so much for that. I'm so excited. One of the LoungeFlies that I have had my eye on for forever, even when they first announced it on the LoungeFly site, was the Steamboat Willie bag because it's just so gorgeous. So of course, we had to get the Steamboat Willie bag. And if you did not know, you can totally purchase some LoungeFly bags on their website. It is a separate link, so you can just go into their boutique and you can use my code Taryn5 and you can also order from that part of the website as well. Click on accessories, which I will put all of this right here to kind of show you what I'm talking about. They do have a ton of LoungeFlies. Now, a lot of them will say sold out because they do go really fast, so you have to be pretty quick with them. But just know that if you did add a subscription box, you could also add those in your wish list and would have a really good chance of getting them. The Steamboat one is a pre-order right now. So if you would like to pre-order this, you totally can. You can use my code Taryn5 to get this lovely bag. Now, let me just show you guys. Let me take some of this paper off that's protecting a lot of it. And can we just appreciate how beautiful this bag is? Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. This is an actual knotted rope, but it's covered in like a plastic piece, so it's not going to get destroyed. I don't know if you can see how that's like kind of metallic. We have the wheel on one side, we have the LoungeFly on the other, and then of course we have parts of the boat, and this actually turns, which is the cutest thing ever. There is a zipper right here that you can put some stuff in, and then look at how adorable they are. I just love the classic black and white feel. And then of course we have these two on the back. It is so cute. I always like to see what the pattern is on the inside. Oh, it is adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at the pattern on the inside. So much detail on the inside. That's gorgeous. Holy cow. Okay, that one, if you would like to pre-order, is $75 on their website right now, and the ears are $30. So both of those are up and available for pre-order. They also have a LoungeFly wallet that matches, and that is $40. And then there is a Steamboat Cruise crossbody bag, which is super cute as well. And I'll put that right here so you can see what I'm talking about. And that one is also $75. But again, you can use my code Taryn5 and try to get a little bit of a discount on it. And again, if you wanted to start a box, then you can do that too and add it to your wish list, and then you might have a chance of getting it in there as well. But I will be taking pictures tomorrow with Sarah and Allie, and I think Amanda in Orlando is going to be there as well. So I'm going to bring this bag and the Powerline bag. So, you know, check on my story. It's probably this, I don't even know if this video will be up before then, but I'm going to try to get this video up tomorrow morning so that you can check out my Instagram story and see that what we're doing in the parks and show you guys some of the Bibbidi stuff. Come along with us. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved these unboxing videos, which I absolutely adore doing them, then hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I come on and when I put up a new video. And if you could just like and comment down below what your favorite part of my Bibbidi unboxing was today, that that would be incredible. I'm gonna see if I can choose one lucky winner for a special little prize. So do that, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.